Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun, coming from Delaney's classroom again.
Yet again.
What are we learning about today?
Making a BreakoutEDU online.
Online?
Yeah.
Is it better? What are some of the bad things about not doing it online?
Not doing it online, you have to set the locks, and if a lock gets set the wrong way and you have to bust it to get it open, you have to buy a new lock. So on here, you don't have to buy new locks. And you don't have to worry about setting locks. You just have to make a form, a Google form.
I will tell you that it is difficult and a pain to get those locks set. So here's an example of a digital breakout box through Google Forms. So I'm going to go into the preview mode here, since that is one that's filled out. So it's a directional lock, and you could put in right, left, up, down, and it'll tell you, hey, it's wrong.
Let's try again.
And what about this one? 3-letter lock. Better luck next time. You can even customize
to
what they want. So when you do get it right, look at that.
So you have to get all of them right for it to let you submit?
Yeah, let's try it. So this one is think. This one, I honestly don't remember, but there's 4 digits there, and you hit next, and it'll say, hey, you can't get there.
Oh.
Yep. Yeah. So all it is a Google form, and it's pretty easy to set up. So this is in Google form, and let's just say this is a 3-digit lock. You can add the picture of a lock if you want. And notice artificial intelligence in Google has already told me exactly what I want to do. But if that doesn't happen to you, what you want is short answer. That's all you can use. You can't use multiple choice because there's not a correct answer there. And then you have to make it required so that they can't hit submit if it is like that. And then we need
response validation.
Response validation. So 3-digit lock. Is it a number?
It is a number.
It is a number. We don't want greater than. That wouldn't make sense. We want equals to. So we can type in any number here, 543, whatever you have set up. So you could give them paper and do this.
This is where we can write
what are we gonna?
You're wrong.
You are wrong. It's very PBIS.
Trying.
And then
good job.
We'll do this one and do a word lock or directional, anything with that.
With letters.
With letters. Short answer again. Required again. Data response validation. And we want text. And we want contains. And that's really the only option. And we can put in a mix of numbers and digits if you want. So it's kind of nice. But let's put in what I had before, or no, let's put in lions. So,
Bill's gonna be sad. He wants armadillos.
So lions, and we can put a 1 there, and we can say, please try again. Woo, got the caps on. So that is one key here, is that you have to put it in as all caps. Otherwise, it doesn't work very well. So you will need to prompt them up here and put something like all caps.
On the directional lock, it's nice for them if you do L equals left, U equals up, so they know which ones they're supposed to do.
So now I can preview this, and again, we can put in our answer here. You are wrong. And I could put in lions 1, and it won't work, or lion 1. But if I do it all caps, it'll come unlocked. Now, the only thing about the word 1 that you need to be aware of is that it contains it. So they could actually put in a phrase, and if it contains that word, it's still going to count it right. So be aware of that when you're doing this. And that's really it. We do have a presentation that's linked down below that has information on BreakoutEDUs, how to set this up. There's all sorts of cool tools that you can kind of integrate within this. Including putting it on a Google site, which is nice to have all of the links there if you want to make it completely digital. But that's it. And if you're thinking about this in terms of UDL, it is very much an engaging process. You may have to put in some scaffolds, but it's a nice way to mix instruction up. You can tie it to reading, math, whatever you want for team building. Thanks for joining us.
Have a happy Friday.